I don't know how long is this tunnel, but it will go directly to the St. Pauli, I think. Yeah. So that is the design, full of tiles, one way. Where is this? Rats. And then there's another one here. You can also use your bike. I think the Voi. I can use the Voi scooter. We will try it. Then another one here. Fish. You just go with the flow. This is not part of my day one tour here in Hamburg. I just saw it and then I took the bus. And then I was surprised that, yeah, we'll be here. Maybe next time we're going to take the other side of the tunnel. I think there are two tunnels here. It's the decoration. Oh, look at the bikes. A lot of people. Another one. Sea lion. The design, look. Color green now. Standing out please. Three-way? I'm not sure. And this one. And another one. Maybe different kinds of animals, sea animals here before that you can find. And other kinds of, what is this? Different kinds. And oh, starfish. There's the starfish. Tunnel. Oh, we're now in the middle part. 15.8 meters. 21 meters. Okay, we're now in the middle. Let's keep walking. Where are these? Maybe rats. And this one. Great. Another rats. Good. Let's keep walking. And what's this? 1:100. Vagashed. 10.85. Oh, what does it mean? I'm not sure. And another one. They all look the same. I think I saw this design before. Yeah. One, oh, shells. We did not see it yet. Goldfish, maybe. They look like goldfish. Another starfish with shells. Okay. Let's continue walking. Rats. We saw that design already. Maybe a couple of times. And yeah, that and here another one. Okay. How many steps? We were half like 5 minutes or maybe for 10 minutes already. Oh, we're almost there. I can see the end. Noise level is like moderate here. There's same design. And here there's another one. Okay. Welcome to Leggers Vlog. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Only bicycles are allowed and also people. And there's another one here. Okay. So that is the last. So thank you so much for watching Leggers Vlog. Don't forget to like and share Leggers Vlog, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. 150 meters. 150 meters, I think that's the. So it looks like. And here, see? And these are the elevators going up. You can also take the stairs if you want. Oh, amazing. Okay. So that's the tour here. See, it's beautiful. And here's another. Oh, it's broken. Okay. So it's closed. It's really low. Going to repair it. So these are the stairs going up, up to there. Alright, so thank you so much for watching Leggers Vlog, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Press, and Next. Till next time, bye bye.